This is the Kershaw Gens Carabiner, or Carabiner, 1150 BLUX, the blue color. This is made of steel with a polished titanium carbonitride coating. Have your nice big clip, that way you can put it on your bags, your belt loop, anywhere that you need to carry this carabiner. Up here is the steel blade. That's going to be great for cutting cords, paracords, seat belts, anything you need to get yourself loose from. Overall, tip to tip is 3.6 inches. Again, you get the cord cutter, bottle opener, hex drives of 0.125, 0.1875, 0.25, and they are non-load bearing. So guys, sorry I didn't have any better backpack to show you how easy it is to clip on, but just easily slide it around your belt loop or whatever bag you're going around on, and then this is just there ready to go with you. So the carabiner, there you go. Easy to get onto the straps, easy to take with you for your daily job, and looking good too, looking stylish. That's the Kershaw 1150 BLUX.